Welcome to the AIBO8 Multitech Lab, designed by Cloud Education Learning Private Limited. The motive to design the lab is to bring all the technology under one roof for all the stream. Here students can explore their ideas and convert into the product.
At present, AI/ML is evolving continuously and influencing multiple sectors such as healthcare, autonomous vehicle, finance sector, so we introduced Raspberry Pi, Arduino, NVIDIA Jetsons for robotics and IoT for programming and linkage of sensors and different output devices like motors.
Our mission is to empower students to transform their imagination into reality through technology. By providing hands-on access to tools like 3D printers and innovation resources, we aim to nurture creators, foster startups, and inspire a new generation of entrepreneurs dedicated to serving the nation. This is a step towards building a culture of innovation.
Our lab includes a humanoid setup for students to learn and explore the world of humanoid robotics.
Our lab is equipped with mechanical tools like drill machines, hexasaws, pliers, and screwdrivers to help students build and shape their products with precision.
We offer a variety of drone setups in the lab, where students can learn about advanced flight controllers like DJI, Pixork, and KK. They gain hands-on experience in drone assembly, programming, and piloting, while also exploring how to customize drones for applications such as agriculture, surveillance, and tasks beyond human reach. This lab is an essential addition to every school and college, enabling the integration of cutting-edge technologies with the curriculum. It empowers students to turn their ideas into reality through hands-on learning, innovation, and real-world application.